Hey Mike, my name's Corey. Jessica told me to send over the screencast over to you. But real quick, I'm just going to give you three quick tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition online. So what I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your website pulled up here. Just gonna kind of run through your website here for a second. It looks like you got a little bit of content here. Oh, it's not really clicking. Oh, come on. Anyway, there we go. So you got a little bit of content on there. I would really beef that up. Really being about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, so that way you can layer other keywords of what you're actually trying to be found for. Really is kind of that first step of ranking on that first page of Google. That's kind of your first step, beefing up your content there. Also, these little images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Google sees that as well. Yeah, instead of putting Nate for what that's saved as, do keywords. That'll just help with your rankings as well. Now, if I go inside of Google here and typing heater repair Tampa, this is what you're gonna see. You got these Google guarantees here. These are actually brand new with Google. They tried to come up with a new way to get away from some of those spammy phone calls coming through from those old school traditional ads. So these Google guarantees supposed to help out with some of those spammy phone calls. But it's just another form paid of advertisement. I've seen some of these ads from like anywhere from 30 to $140 a click. I know you are running quite a bit of ads. I know that can get pretty pricey, especially when people just click on them. I'm not going to do it, just in case one of those were yours. But anyway, underneath the ads, we have this little map section. This map section is really going to be to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What citations are: just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. Whether it's the BBB, Yelp, City Star, you got Facebook, LinkedIn, there's tons of them out there. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath that is really going to be dealing with all the all the organic rankings. And to get the rankings here in this area on that first page of Google really comes down to having that authoric content on your first page. Really, how much detailed information on what you're giving the general public, it definitely matters. Plus, being able to be found for those certain keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, if I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes. Looks like you started this back in 2019 and just kind of ramped up and just took off. You had 79 referring domains coming from your website, which is kicking back about 412 backlinks from there. You're being found for 731 keywords. This is all organically, by the way. You get about 239 clicks to your website every month. Now, if we come down here, that PPC stands for pay per click. You have 110. Looks like you have a crap load of ads that you're running out from Google as well. But just kind of talking about the organic traffic, kind of seeing where this 230 clicks is coming from. Go inside these keywords here. You got a sewer camera inspection, heat pump service, plumbers, Pineless County. Okay, there's 100 clicks there. Don't even know. That's a good keyword. You got Plumber St. Petersburg, 200 clicks. Your 18th position, Plumbers Dundon, Plumbing Newport, Richie FL. There's 150 clicks. So I didn't realize these were new cities I haven't been into yet. Plumbing Supply, Palm Harbor, Plumber, Brandon. Okay, so Plumber, Brand, Florida. There's 200 clicks for that one keyword, and I'm familiar with that one. And you got 22. You're ranked 22 second position there. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Scott's 1 Hour Air Conditioning. Kind of showing you what they're doing here, real quick. Do a quick overview. All right, so they got 317 referring domains, which is pushing back 2.2K backlinks, right? and they have 1.6 keywords they're being found for, and they have a little like right about at 1,000 clicks to their website every month. And if we actually see where these clicks are coming from, all organic wise, by the way, it's kind of showing you what they're actually ranking for. They got their name, Tampa Air Conditioning. There's 150 clicks. Their second position. Tampa Air Conditioning Repair, 200 clicks. Tampa Air Conditioner Repair, 250 clicks. Air Conditioning Service Tampa FL. There's 70 clicks there. AC Repair Tampa, another 100 clicks. I mean, like, if we actually found some keywords, really buyer's intent keywords, like I just was rambling off there, and they really found, got you anywhere from an extra 200 clicks every month to your website. What would that do for your business? Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me how I did on this video, or feel free to reach out to me so I can put a custom game plan together for you, or at least apply these 3 free tips for your website for yourselves. Thanks so much.